YouTube just came out with YouTube Create, all right? An app that is competing with AI, ChatGPT, even Grok, okay? On this app, you can do voiceovers, you can create video content, B-roll content, all right? AI content for your products if you're doing TikTok Shop or even just affiliate marketing on any platform, all right? So I made a video with this drill, just not doing anything, just pointing, you know, highlighting certain features. I'll probably pull that up right now.
I'm kicking off a new project, and you know what that means? New drill day. First things first, I've got to get that bit secured in place.
And then letting the AI voiceover do its thing, choosing everything from the style of voice, you know, if I want male or female, English, whatever language, super cool. Now we're looking on here at the top, edit with AI, automatically sequence clips, identify highlights, and add AI music and voiceover. Create with VO3, all right? Describe, what do you call it? Your idea and generate. So on this app also, you can create unlimited, okay? There's no fee, you're not paying anything. Unlimited on here. So right now, if I want to say I created actually a black guy creating content, I'll show that, and then I hit play, and this guy is just creating content. He's doing, you know, his thing. All right, a cat or a car in a tree, hit that. Now once you create the image, then you can animate the image. This is way better than, you know, some of the stuff out there. So a car in the tree, I'm gonna click on that right there, and I'm gonna hit create video. It's gonna do its thing. Now this is the gold mine for I have a lot of notifications coming through right now. This is the gold mine for B-roll, okay, for content creators. Now I didn't tell it specifically what to do, but I could have told the prompt what I wanted the image to look like. And now I hit create video, and let's see what it's gonna come up with. It's gonna be done in just a second. I'm gonna be using this app a lot. Okay, this is legit right here. Check this out. Wow. Now, by default, it looks like this is about 8 seconds long, which is the traditional, and I can use the video, I can hit use, I can go in here, and then I can edit the video. I can do so much stuff, edit generation, you know, I can add to it, you know. I mean, so we're talking about creating scenes and stuff. You know, I can remove the background. Let me know, are you gonna use this app? What possibilities can you see yourself generating with this? Will you be making affiliate videos with this on the different platforms, whether it's Amazon, YouTube affiliate, or even TikTok Shop, all right? I click on this. This is a project that I did recently.
I'm kicking off a new project, and you know what that means? New drill day. First things first, I've got to get that bit secured in place.
Now, obviously, I can have a male voice or my voice, and I can create generic videos. And as long as they are telling facts, I can post those videos as shoppable content. All right. Hey, follow for more if you like ideas like this when it comes to apps, or if you want tips, tricks, and tutorials on YouTube and TikTok. All right. I'll see you on the next video.